Hello, friends. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to convert Amazon's auto campaigns, especially the ones that are performing well, into manual campaigns. It's actually very easy and can be done with just one click. Usually, if our auto campaigns are performing well, going into the manual search terms, picking out those keywords, and then running that campaign manually is actually a very time consuming process. And honestly, most of us don't have that much time. Especially for those of you who have thousands of ads, doing it this way is really difficult. Because if you try to do it like this, you'll end up spending your whole day on it. And even then, you might not be able to finish. So, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First, I'm on my Amazon dashboard, on the Amazon advertising dashboard. From here, I'll go to bulk operation. In bulk operation, I need to download 60 days worth of data from the download campaign option. I'll give it a name. Let's call it 60 days. And here we need to select the range for 60 days. The three check marks that are there, just keep those three selected. If you have other ads, you can select those as well if you want. Since I work with merch on demand, I don't need anything else. I'm clicking download now. It might take a little time to download, so I'm going to pause the video for a bit. Once the download is done, I'll be back. Okay, our file is ready now. I'm downloading it. After downloading, I need to go to a website called PPC Optimizer. In the last video, I showed you how you can optimize thousands of ads within 5 minutes. In this video, our task is to see how to convert auto campaigns into manual campaigns. So the file I just downloaded, I'll upload it here after going to the auto to manual section. Here, you can set a few options as you like. For example, if you want to target only those campaigns that have at least 3 orders and campaigns where the ACoS is a maximum of 20% or less. And you can also set the budget for your new campaigns. You can easily set the daily budget to exactly $5 or adjust it however you like based on your needs. And right here, there are three distinct options to choose from: exact, phrase, and broad match types. For each one of these, you can manually set by what specific percentage you want to increase your bid or your CPC. For example, let's just say your previous campaign successfully got 3 orders, and if you want to increase it by 10%, if it was 10 cents before, then in the current manual campaign, the bid for exact will be 11 cents, for phrase, it will be 11 cents, and for broad, it will also be 11 cents. So if you select all 3 options here, all 3 match types will be automatically created for you. Personally, I don't want my broad and phrase campaigns to increase right here. I only want my exact campaign to increase. And I want to keep it so that only campaigns with at least 2 orders and a daily budget of $5 are included in the list. You can adjust this up or down as you like. Now, if I go ahead and click on Analyze and Generate, our sheet will be completely ready, which I can then upload directly to Amazon. So that's already done. One important thing to mention here. Let's say you analyze and upload this to Amazon for the very first time. If you do the exact same thing again after, say, 1 week, the campaigns that have already been created here won't be created a second time. Because if the same campaigns keep getting created over and over again, you'll end up with a lot of duplicates. So if any new keyword comes up for those campaigns, only that specific new keyword will be added. That means there's absolutely no chance of your campaigns being duplicated here. So let me scroll down and check my campaigns. My first campaign is one where there are 2 orders and my ACoS is very low. So in this specific campaign right here, the long sleeves keyword is performing exceptionally well. I didn't actually read out the specific keyword itself just now. And here in your second campaign, we can clearly see there are three orders. The ACOS is looking quite good at the moment. Currently, your CPC was set at 59 cents. So here you can manually set it however you want it to be. You can keep it at 59 if you really want to, or you can adjust it up or down as you like. I changed it here myself. I adjusted it exactly the way I wanted. For each individual one, I can change my bid just like this. And for this particular campaign, I see it says add keyword. That means this campaign already exists from before. So only this brand new keyword will be added here, the specific keyword that they got from the search term data. So only this keyword will be added to the existing campaign. That's exactly how this tool works. In this same campaign, I can see that this is a new campaign, and it will be added as a completely new campaign where you have 8 orders. Our CPC rate was 16. So now, after a 10% increase, it's 18. But I don't want it to increase here, so I reduced it and set it back to 16. And in our existing campaigns, some new keywords will be added. That's why these keywords are showing up here. This way, I can find all the campaigns that are performing well. Now I'll download the file. After downloading, I'll go to Amazon and upload it. As soon as I upload, for the campaigns that already existed, there will be some errors because those already exist. So those will show errors because I've already done this before. And the ones that are completely new campaigns will be created as brand new. So I clicked on upload here. After clicking upload, when you do this for the first time, you won't see any errors. Since I'm always trying to optimize my campaigns and move the ones that are performing well from auto to manual campaigns, that's why I'll see errors here. And here it will show how many campaigns were successfully created and how many already existed. The ones that already existed will show as failed here. But here in 25 rows, your 25 campaigns have been uploaded. 25 campaigns have changes. And for the rest, no changes are needed because those were already created before. That's why it shows as failed. But it's not really a failure. If you download the error report from here, you'll see which campaigns already existed on Amazon. Since there's no point in submitting the same campaign over and over, those campaigns weren't generated again. Because if the same campaign name keeps getting created, you'll end up with duplicate campaigns. That's why, in this way, you can convert your campaigns from auto to manual campaigns. And PPC Optimizer Pro has a 7-day free trial. You can test out how the tool works if you want. It's a very effective tool for me. For those of you who do merch on demand or Amazon FBA, FBM, I hope this tool will be very useful. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, I'll show you how I create ads for all my merch on demand designs very easily and for testing purposes.